Hello, good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, April 30th. We will be getting on this morning at 9 o'clock for a Google Meet. Go into the assignment for today and jump on that link right there, and it'll bring you to the Google Meet at 9 a.m. So we hope to see you there. We also, for today, have two chapters to read, chapters 25 and 26. PDF version of the story is available here. Also, Miss Anderson reading chapter 25 and Miss Anderson reading chapters 26. If you need any help with anything and you're up, please join us at 9 o'clock to ask any questions at that time. It's a great time to just kind of check in. If you have any concerns, let us know. Otherwise, that's what you have for today. And like I said yesterday, maybe go back, listen to chapter 12, try to pick up another chapter from those earlier chapters because those will be on the test also, okay? We'll be testing at the end of next week over chapters 11 through 29. Let us know if you have any questions. Hope to see you at 9 a.m. Have a great day. Bye.